Now I request Mr. S.K. Datta sir to please come upon the stage.
Distinguished guests, my dear friends, and Honorable Chairman, as well as the Director of the Institute, Mr. Masood, Honorable Chairman sir, my junior colleague Bharti, distinguished guests, my dear friends, and Honorable Chairman, as well as the Director of the Institute, Mr. Masood, Honorable Chairman sir, my junior colleague Bharti. We should be honored that she has given us an opportunity to try something which is based on knowledge itself. Saraswati Mahabhage Vidya Kamalonarchane Vidyarupe Vishadakri Vidyadari Namastute. Friends, it is a privilege and it's an honor to be here. And I would say that I can see several veteran journalists of future among you all. And might be you all will write the destiny of this country in future. Swachh Bharat, Safal Bharat, Ujjal Bharat, समृद्ध भारत बनाने के लिए सबसे आवश्यकता होती है कि आप किस दिशा में जाते हैं और किस दिशा में आप अपना हुनर को दिखाते हैं। सरकार पे सारी चीजें अपेक्षा करके और सरकार पे सारी चीजें थोप के किसी भी देश का निर्माण नहीं हो सकता है, ना ही भविष्य का निर्माण हो सकता है। हम लोग अक्सर भूल जाते हैं कि हम लोग देश के नागरिक होने के नाते हमारी जो कर्तव्य है वो हम लोग शायद पालन करते हैं या करते भी हैं या नहीं करते हैं। It is very, very important that we should know what are our rights and what are our duties, and what are our duties and what are our fundamental rights. What more better than media for this? Media is something which enlightens everyone of us for going ahead in the destiny, also for creating the destiny, and also for making a name for ourselves, for this, doing something good for the society, and ultimately doing something good for the government as well as the country itself. हमारे देश बहुत ही एक तरह से भाग्यशाली है क्योंकि लगभग 60% के आसपास इस देश का जो पॉपुलेशन है वो युवा पीढ़ी के है। युवा पीढ़ी वो युवा पीढ़ी जो पूरे दुनिया का निर्माण करती है, वो युवा पीढ़ी जो आगे की सफर तय करती है। सफर को तय करने के लिए, आगे जाने के लिए, उज्जवल भविष्य बनाने के लिए एक गाइडेंस की बहुत आवश्यकता होती है। गाइडेंस जो माता सरस्वती से तो मिलती है, पर वो डायरेक्टली आके तो देती नहीं है, वो देती है गुरुओं के माध्यम से, वो देती है शिक्षकों के माध्यम से, उनके कलम के माध्यम से ये गाइडेंस मिलती है। What better than learning from your seniors, and do not err on the mistakes which your seniors did. That is also a learning process. Therefore, we have to understand as to at what pedestal we are today and which pedestal will take us where tomorrow for achieving something successful in life so that we can do something good for the country itself. It is very, very important that we have to do something which is righteous for ourselves itself. At least and until our soul doesn't allow us to do something, or if we do something knowing well that my conscience is not allowing me to do it, but still I am doing it because of monetary bribes, because of other advantages, that is where we do a crime to not only to the country, not only to the society, but also to us as an individual. और यहाँ पे मीडिया की बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट भूमिका आती है। मीडिया ऐसा संस्था है, मीडिया ऐसा माध्यम है जो पूरा देश का निर्माण भी कर सकता है, पूरे देश का, समाज का विनाश भी कर सकती है। इसलिए आप लोगों की जो जिम्मेदारी है, सारे जिम्मेदारियों के मुताबिक सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मेदारी है और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जिम्मेदारी है, क्योंकि आपके वाणी से या फिर आपके लेख से जो चीजें निकलती हैं, वही समाज को एक निर्धारित रास्ता दिखाती है वो समाज को एक आसमान की तरफ लेके जाती है, एक उत्थान की रास्ता दिखाती है, या तो फिर एक विनाश की भी रास्ता दिखा सकती है। इसलिए media becomes very, very important. When I was studying in Cambridge University, when I was doing my PhD there, I always used to come over to these kind of debates as to what is happening in India, what is going on in India, why is it that there is so much of turmoil in India. ये सारी चीजें हम ही लोग मिटा सकते हैं, ये सारी चीजें हम ही लोग एक नया रूप दे सकते हैं, नया पहचान दे सकते हैं भारत की।
Now, I would like to call Ma'am Rajvinder Kaur.
हेलो एवरीवन। मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ स्टूडेंट से कि आप सीखते रहिए और हमें सिखाते रहिए, सीखना बेटर है। ऑल द बेस्ट।
It is very fortunate today I am having with me the very sweet author and I know her since 2 years last, and she has been writing a lot for the poems, for the stories, right? With a huge round of applause, guys.
It's a pleasure to be here on this occasion. I congratulate you all to begin as you are going to begin your new career, right? And so I am presenting the annual report of HIMCOM on behalf of HIMCOM team. Honorable guests, Chairman of Heritage Institute of Management and Mass Communication, Syed Manzarul Islam, Managing Director Syed Masood, CEO Sana Zafri, DN Raj Nong Thombam, Administration Head Mr. S.N. Singh, HOD Academics Ms. Bharti Pandey, Manager Academics Ms. Urvashi Goyal, and faculty members, Advisory Board of Heritage Institute of Management and Communication, former Judge High Court, Allahabad, Sakharamji, Mr. Ved Pratap Vaidik, Mr. Sayyidin Zaidi ji, Sardar Joginder Singh ji, Mr. K.G. Suresh ji, Dr. Ashish Sarkar, and HIMCOM welcome all the guests and students on this auspicious occasion. Currently with 100 students, HIMCOM is running Bachelor's in Mass Communications, Master's in Mass Communication, PG Diploma in Mass Communication, Diploma in Video Editing. This year, HIMCOM has successfully launched their creative production house, which is HIMCOM Creation, under which successful coverage of various events are being shot and editing of the final program is done. Here, I would also like to mention that this HIMCOM has successfully launched Hindi magazine, India on Front. HIMCOM has been privileged to receive the Best Media Institute Award at Industry Eminence Awards organized by IRA and B Group at Hotel Kempinski, New Delhi on 24th September 2014. This year has been full of achievement for HIMCOM, where we have been covered by various eminent newspapers like HT Live, Delhi Times, Delhi Hindustan, and many more. We started the semester with a warm orientation program in the month of August. The 3 days orientation program included lectures, speeches, and guidance by some very renowned names like Mr. Ved Pratap Vaidik, Mr. Surendra Singla, MP and former Finance Minister of Punjab, Mr. T.R. Thakkar, former Police Commissioner, Mr. Pramod Joshi, Mr. S.K. Datta, Mr. Madhukar Upadhyay, and many more.